7 दिन में बथेलो अपनी जिंदगी, एक मोटिवेशनल चैलेंज। नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम टू मुन्ना ट्यूब। क्या आप तैयार हैं अपनी जिंदगी बदलने के लिए, वो भी सिर्फ 7 दिन में? आई नो व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग, इज इट रियली पॉसिबल? ट्रस्ट मी थियोस्ट, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल इफ यू सेट योर माइंड टू इट एंड आर विलिंग टू पुट इन द एफर्ट। Join me, Athena Narayan, on this incredible journey on of self-discovery and transformation. Together, we will unlock your true potential and set you on the path to becoming the best version of yourself. Over the next 7 days, we will be your guide, your mentor, your cheerleader, and most importantly, your friend. This isn't just another motivational video. This is a call to action. We challenge you to dedicate these next 7 days to transforming your life. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Let's begin. दिन पहला लक्ष्य तय करो, सेट योर गोल्स। दोस्तों, पहला दिन पहला कदम। आज हम शुरुआत करेंगे अपने लक्ष्य सेट करके। Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So get a pen and paper. Owner, open up your phone and let's start writing. What do you truly desire in life? What are your dreams, your aspirations? Don't hold back. Write down everything that comes to mind. Now, let's break down those big dreams into smaller, achievable goals. For example, if you dream on starting your own business, your goal for the week could be to research different business ideas. Your goal for the month could be to create a basic business plan. And your goal for the year could be to launch your business. Remember, your goals should be clear, specific, and measurable. Don't just say, I want to be happy. Instead, define what happiness means to you. Is it spending more time with loved ones? Is it pursuing a passion? Be specific. Once you have your goals written down, visualize yourself achieving them. Close your eyes and imagine the feeling of accomplishment, the joy, the satisfaction. Feel the energy of success surging through you. This visualization will fuel your motivation and keep you going. Don't be afraid to dream big, my friends. The only limit is the one you set for yourself. Believe in your ability to achieve anything you set your mind to. Remember, every great achievement starts with a single step. सोच को बदलो, जिंदगी बदल जाएगी। Cultivate a positive mindset. दोस्तों, आज हम बात करेंगे सोच की शक्ति के बारे में। Your thoughts have immense power. Start your day with affirmations. Gratitude is अंदर की ingredient. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Face challenges with courage and optimism. Shift your perspective. Unlock possibilities. Then तीसरा, सेहत ही संपदा है। Establish healthy habits. आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे फाउंडेशन के बारे में जो हमारी सफलता के लिए बहुत जरूरी है, सेहत। A healthy body is like a well-oiled machine. It functions smoothly and efficiently. Today, we commit to establishing healthy habits that will nourish our bodies and minds. Exercise is not just about building muscles. It's about boosting your energy levels, reducing stress, and improving your overall well-being. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, running, or simply going for a walk in nature. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Just as important as exercise is nutrition. The food we eat is the fuel that powers our bodies. Choose whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Avoid sugary drinks, processed snacks, and excessive amounts of unhealthy fats. Sleep is another crucial aspect of a healthy lifestyle. When you sleep, your body repairs itself and rejuvenates. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Remember, small changes make a big difference. Start by incorporating one healthy habit at a time. Once it becomes a part of your routine, add another one. Before you know it, you will be living a healthier, more energetic life. Chapter 4. देन चौथा, वक्त की कथेर करो, यानी मास्टर टाइम मैनेजमेंट। दोस्तों, वक्त एक ऐसा रिसोर्स है जो सबके पास बराबर होता है, लेकिन बहुत कम लोग इसका सही इस्तेमाल कर पाते हैं। टुडे वी लर्न हाउ टू मास्टर टाइम मैनेजमेंट, a skill that will empower you to achieve more in less time. and live a more fulfilling life. Start by prioritizing your tasks. Identify your most important tasks for the day and focus on completing those first. Use a planner, a to-do list app, owner a simple notebook to keep track on your tasks and deadlines. Distractions are the enemy of productivity. Identify your biggest distractions and find ways to minimize them. Turn on social media notifications, silence your phone, and create a dedicated workspace free from interruptions. Learn to say no. It's okay to decline requests that don't align with your priorities. Honor that you simply don't have time for. Saying no to the unimportant things allows you to say yes to the things that truly matter. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. This makes the task seem less daunting and allows you to track your progress more effectively. Celebrate your small wins along the way to stay motivated. Remember, time management is a skill that takes practice. Be patient with yourself, experiment with different techniques, and find what works best for you. The more you practice, the better you will become at managing your time effectively. चैप्टर 5 दिन 5वां सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद कमिट टू लर्निंग। दोस्तों, जिंदगी एक स्कूल की तरह है जहां हर दिन कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है। लर्निंग शुड नेवर स्टॉप, नो मैटर योर एज ओनर प्रोफेशन। टुडे we commit to making learning a lifelong habit, a journey of continuous growth and self-improvement. Read books, articles, blogs, anything that sparks your interest. Explore different genres, expand your knowledge, and challenge your perspectives. The more you read, the more you learn, and the more you grow. Take online courses, owner attend workshops. To develop new skills, owner enhance existing ones. There are countless free and affordable learning resources available online, covering a wide range of topics. Listen to podcasts while commuting, exercising, or doing household chores. Podcasts are a great way to learn from experts in various fields. Stay updated on current events and expand your horizons. Seek out mentors or role models who inspire you. Learn from their experiences, their successes, and their failures. Don't be afraid to ask for guidance or advice. Remember, learning is not just about acquiring knowledge. It is about applying that knowledge to improve your life and the lives of others. It's about expanding your mind, challenging your beliefs, and becoming the best version of yourself. चैप्टर 6 दिन 6 रिश्ते निभाओ, जिंदगी संवारो, बिल्ड मीनिंगफुल कनेक्शंस। आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे खुशी के बारे में जो पैसे से नहीं खरीदी जा सकती, रिश्ते की खुशी। Humans are social creatures. We thrive on connection. Today, we focus on building and nurturing meaningful relationships that enrich our lives. Reach out to friends and family members you haven't spoken to in a while. Make time for face-to-face interactions, even if it's just for a quick coffee. Honor a phone call. Join a club, a sports team, honor a volunteer organization to meet like-minded people who share your interests. Engaging in activities you enjoy is a great way to connect with others who share your passions. Practice active listening. When someone is speaking to you, give them your undivided attention. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and really listen to what they have to say. Be there for others, not just when it's convenient, but also when they need you most. Offer a listening ear, a shoulder to cry on, and honor a helping hand. True friendship is about being present through thick and thin. Remember, relationships, like plants, need to be nurtured to thrive. Invest time and effort in the people who matter most to you, and watch your relationships blossom. चैप्टर 7 दिन 7वां सफर का मजा लो, मंजिल मिले ना मिले, रिफ्लेक्ट एंड सेलिब्रेट। दोस्तों, आज हम अपने 7 दिन के सफर के अंतिम पड़ाव पर आ गए हैं। टेक अ मोमेंट टू एक्नॉलेज हाउ फार यू हैव कम। You have set goals, cultivated a positive mindset, established healthy habits, mastered time management, committed to learning, and built meaningful connections. These are all significant accomplishments worthy of celebration. Reflect on your journey over the past week. What were your biggest challenges? How did you overcome them? What did you learn about yourself along the way? Journaling can be a powerful tool for self-reflection and growth. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Did you finally start that workout routine you have been putting on? Did you manage to stick to your budget for the entire week? Acknowledge your efforts and reward yourself for your progress. Set new goals for the future. What do you want to achieve next week, next month, next year? Use the momentum you have gained over the past 7 days to propel you forward on your journey of personal growth. Remember, transformation is an ongoing process, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, challenges and triumphs along the way. Embrace the journey, learn from your experiences, and never stop striving to become the best version of yourself. Outro शुक्रिया, thank you, दोस्तों, you did it. You completed the 7-day challenge to change your life. Remember, this is just the beginning. The seeds of transformation have been sown. Now it's up to you to nurture them and watch them grow. Remember, life is a journey, not a race. There will be times when you stumble on or fall behind. But don't give up. Get back up, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and never stop learning and growing. Thank you for joining me, Athena Narayan, on this incredible journey of self-discovery and transformation. If you found this challenge helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Munna Tube for more motivational content. Until next time, keep shining.